You have a 2.1 kilogram block of plastic, and it takes you 8.65 newtons of force to slide it at a concave. So, there's, by the way, none of this stuff is plastic. All right, so we're not going to use that. Across your Formica table, what is the coefficient of friction? So we're solving for the coefficient. By the way, this is going to be the dynamic coefficient, and we won't have any idea what the static coefficient is. This is the kinetic, to use the language of the textbook. This is IB language, textbook language, right? So again, we're going to use force of friction is mu times R is equal to mu times M times G, right? The force of friction is this, 8.65. That equals a mu that we don't know times 2.1 kilograms times 9.81. Now we can solve for mu. Let's see where the muse takes us. I know you're not amused by that joke, are you? Okay, 8.65 divided by 2.1 divided by 9.81 is 0.41988, which is 0.42, because we only have 2 sig figs. That's our, and there are no units for coefficient. This is a force. This, by the time you multiply those together, those are a force. So it's a ratio of force by force. All right.